We'll guide you through how to fix an Android phone stuck in headphone mode. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as it means you can only hear sound when you plug your headphones in. So what you first of all want to try doing is performing a restart. This can sometimes just go and refresh everything and solve it. To do that, hold down the side power button like so, and you'll then see the option for restart. Tap on it, and tap on it again, and wait for it to start. When the device starts again, see if the problem is resolved. However, if it isn't, then what you want to do is come down to the headphone port. As you can see, there it is. And what you want to do is go and clear this out. What can happen is that debris and lint can go and get in there, and then the device incorrectly detects a headphone jack being plugged in and tries to output through it. So what you can do is go and clear it out. You could use something like a toothpick or a cocktail stick to help go and do that, or even a brush as well. So try and go and clear it out. If that resolves the problem, then great. However, if it doesn't, then there's an app you can get. So open up the Play Store, come down to the bottom and go and tap on search and tap on the search box at the top. And you want to type in disable headphone like so, and the app we can use is this top one here. Go and install it. When it's finished, you can then go and open it up. Then what you can do is go and select speaker, and you can tap on test sound, and the sound should then come through your speakers. And hopefully that goes and fixes the problem.